Alright guys, welcome back to
We're
our channel.
back.
Yup, so we just want to pick up our story on our journey through pregnancy. We're going to pick up at the second trimester, and that's where we are at now. Soon close it out, but that's where we are now. So, yup, what's it like?
This trimester has been a little bit better than the first because now everything is calming down and
Body I get
used to things. But I think this one has come with its fair share of its own problems. Kinda.
I think it's more visible in this stage because I think that's your face start look different.
Yeah.
Countenance start change up. So if every time you were doubting, then like now it's so much out there that the evidence is there. And thus far, based on even her own doctor visit, I would have said it to her, but even her doctor said that based on her body and even the size of her belly, it's bigger than what would be expected. At the stage, yeah. So I think baby boy or girl is a smart. You see them develop very fast, like quick. Yeah. So I think that's a good one for us because doctor was saying that she'd rather if the baby is actually ahead than behind, that kind of thing. So I think that's a positive one. What else? What new have you experienced in this trimester compared to the last one?
The insomnia has been horrible. Sometimes I can get it. I can get the sleep, but that's mostly in the days when some people are not in the bed. If I'm in the bed by myself in the day, I can sleep.
The bed is a big bed. Yes, it is a big bed, and I'm telling you, there are some nights I find myself on the edge. The bed just
feels small now.
And can't say the bed is small, like.
Yes.
And the worst part of it, and I said to her, "Do you want me to come off of the bed and leave you one on the bed?" That is the reaction. And then when I'm on the bed now, it's like, somebody said like, "What do you want?" I mean, said the bed can more than even one. Somebody's in the middle, and I said like, "What do you want me to do?"
Someone else is in the middle.
No, babe. And she have the bed pack up a pillow, which I can understand.
Because I need them to one for between my foot, one for hold up my belly, one for my back, and one for my head.
I'm a barely catch on the side, and even then she want her foot then go like so.
Listen, I'm two people right now, okay? I need space.
But it's like me, it's one that you maybe just drop asleep. So after that, I don't care where you are. I sleep and I wake the phone alarm.
And that is very annoying because when I cannot sleep, I'm just there looking at him like...
That's so bad, man. Why is it annoying?
Because you fast asleep and then when you wake up in a day, you wonder why me still asleep.
But I don't trouble you. I'll be honest, I've ever tell you, so like, me see you asleep in a day, I ever say, oh, wake up or get up. I don't trouble you. So when I'm sleeping, leave me. You see, she don't want to see me sleep. I don't my fault.
No, but me can't sleep, so when you asleep,
but when you sleep in the days, I don't trouble you because I understand. So I leave you alone. I've never ever woke you up out of your sleep. I leave you, make you sleep. Right?
Even the other night, the other day, in 24 whole hours, I slept 3 dege hours out of 24. Because the sleep, they just wouldn't come, like more than a buck. I'm like, yes, he's sleep here now. I may try going night. Never happened.
It's a hush, babe. The next thing is, I think we'd have gone back to the doctor and we'd have assessed the clot situation. It's almost gone, just a little spot still there. But we're not people clot any mind. We're not worried about that. That's what I really mean. So, but it's still there, but it's getting better. So hopefully by the next visit, it should be out of here, right? Yeah.
Hypertension is technically under control. Still a little bit cloudy in the eye. As well as there's this new symptom that is kind of chronic, but yeah, it's to be expected, like the water mouth business.
Oh.
And Jerome suggested I get a cup so that I don't have to get up 50 times for the night for the spit.
And that is
Right?
a sanitary cup.
One of the little
Disposable
disposable
cup.
cups.
Yeah.
I got the cup per his recommendation. I know he must say, yuck. Why you have the cup there? Yuck.
I don't see, babe. That should have all the time. As I use one and cup, so we have a lot of those. So just use that, get rid of it. I don't like to see it, but.
And I am recommending to know.
Yeah,
I know that me
no,
use
people,
it.
if can go up on the bed and she get up, she go.
Because I'm in pain.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to make it easier for you. Use the cup, put a piece of napkin night so it can be absorbable, if that's the word.
Alright, stop make it crania.
Dispose of it in the morning, you know what I see? Yeah, but.
But you get up before me, so you go see it.
Okay.
What else in the... Oh, yeah, me not really like people now.
You just drop something like that. People, she's easily annoyed. And I've said to her, just like, I'm not for anybody else tonight, but don't get a night for me.
But I always want you around.
No, I realize that I'm happy for that. Because I don't like to feel the way they unwanted. Like, if you do that to me, I swear to God, I'm going to give you back the same. You're going to have a mirror. I get the reflection. But anyhow,
Me just not.
I realize I'm like, I'll be on my phone and like,
so annoying.
it's not your call. Why am I calling for bother you?
But
Like,
no, I just annoying.
but you're not like that, so no one understands say the hormones are deep because I don't know you to be like that. But I realize say easily annoyed. You will watch like I'll be out here watching a YouTube video. And she come out there and she make one video. I'm so like, how trouble you? Leave it alone, no? Like everything just bother her. Like, but I understand that it's the hormones because I'd have heard before.
And probably it's. Oh, you would have heard before.
Yeah, I would have heard before other persons basically have that kind of behavior that they even resent their partner and can't stand them. But you don't go there by the grace of God, okay? I have to rebuke that out of you.
I know somebody that said that they hate their mother-in-law when they're pregnant.
Try don't hate your mother-in-law no more, girl.
I mean, I have no reason to hate nobody. The only thing that I am struggling with is like people I genuinely care about. But just know what, like, don't talk to me. Why are you talking to me?
You do it sometimes. I think you get a hold of it, but sometimes I see you do it and like, I'm like, what is wrong with you? So when I see you do it, I just never pay mind.
And it's not that I don't want to talk to you, you know. It's just that talking to you is just, it's just that it's too much out of me right now. Just leave me alone.
And then no, she's the same one. When you don't pay her any mind now, she complain about it. So I'm like, so it's like, for me personally, I don't even know if you actually did too because...
No, I don't. That's what I'm saying. Like, with you, me always, maybe because I don't see you enough, me always want you around.
And people are so weird. They just don't see me enough.
Because you don't work.
For a couple hours.
Yeah, but those are the only hours I'm awake. And then when you do come home and sleep, you can sleep, so me not see you.
No, don't say. I sleep after 10 after 11
yeah, but what we are doing in between, you come home and go sleep. I not really me and you.
You're craving weird, but anyhow. That's it so far. I'm still can think of second trimester.
Let me see.
I think you're becoming a bit more you're managing the cooking smell a bit better than before. I can realize now so you can be around here and cook, but if you get too intense you might leave. But I think you start managing it better.
Yeah.
The fluttering some of the baby movements.
Oh yes.
This baby now, I say so this fluttering movement business with this child. I don't know what I have done, Mr. Sir or Miss Lady of mine. They don't want me catch that even a little tooth.
No, that's not the case.
And can I rub it on my face? I said the baby don't like you.
No, when my trouble me say, I mean, that baby don't want them. But really, in reality, it's not really like that. It's just that wrong place, wrong time.
It's fine.
You're never around when you move.
It's fine. When you come out and about, yeah, you will take him up.
Because
I don't understand. I don't understand. I mean, like I said, in just move, and by the time I go, I'm actually whole man like that, and I say, one feeling. Not a movement, brother. That's how I do you. Not at all. It's it's alright. I mean, like, it doesn't matter. Like, I'll be right here by the time I move, you decide to move. Like,
and you know when you move enough too?
when can I eat?
Asleep.
When you're asleep?
When you asleep.
In that night? See, if wake up, you know?
But you're not gonna feel nothing.
And then when you're heating, craving on people. I don't know if a girl or boy would think, yo.
You are your father's child.
Oh, God almighty.
You are your father's child.
It's like, say, when guys are eat like it, hooray! Crave, man. What? Such is life.
Most of the time, when I just eat, or me eat something sweet or something, they move. When
Them say, like you said, them.
no, them as in not a gender. Not
No,
them as in multiple.
People, we are to do our anomaly.
Them as
Anomaly.
in singular,
Soon.
no
And I
gender.
honestly believe it's two. I don't know why I believe it's two.
Not
I
them
believe
as in
it's two.
multiples.
I
Okay?
believe it's two.
Let's just leave that
Somebody
there.
agree with me. Touch and agree.
Yes,
Touch
no
like
touching
and
and no
agree.
agreeing
Touch
here.
like and agree.
Okay?
It's gonna
Please
be two.
don't. You make me forget what me though.
Can you remember? I asked the doctor the other day now, we did another just and I said, Doc, can you do me a favor? Can you check if you're seeing two heartbeats?
And she said no, there isn't. There's just
She
one.
said, I am not Jesus in a Mr. Greenland. I want to see one.
Exactly. So it's just one,
No, she don't worry.
guys.
Wait,
Don't
look back.
worry.
Wait, look
All
back.
right. So what, as I was saying, when I eat and when I'm laying down trying to fall asleep and the sleep now come and him falls asleep, baby's like,
So I'm your problem. I'm your problem.
just stretch out, spread out all over, and I'm just like, can you not? Like, that hurts.
So already I'm being neglected.
How are you being neglected?
This child is neglecting me.
How?
Alright, don't worry. Don't worry.
Who are, you know what neglected mean?
Probably that's a strong word, you know, but I don't understand. Like, what have I done to you, son?
Son.
What have I done to your daughter? Anyway, we don't know if I'm a girl or a boy.
We don't know yet.
We don't know yet, but we'll be knowing in the next 2 weeks, I think. And we choose, even then, we're going to start to pass on the information to somebody else. We're going to keep ourselves in a bit more suspense until later on, and we'll let it in on that. But
Yeah.
others will know and we won't know. But yeah, that's where it is. But as it is right now, though, things are really going smooth for the most part, and we're grateful to God for that. Most of the medical conditions, we say, they are under control. We're basically in planning phase in terms of, I think we're a bit advanced in planning, but yeah, we're just planning. Still trusting
That's
God.
the next thing. I've started nesting.
Nesting?
Yeah.
What's that? What's nesting?
So like when you reach a little bit further on, all I can think about alright, when he come, you need to make sure that everything alright in the place now.
Oh.
Because and when he come, you need for this and you need to have this and this need to start out before this, and yeah.
But I think I'm doing that mentality like him last time. I should say I want the crib, but there's some reach on my mind right now. So a focus time. So I think we're okay. Honestly, if you should ask me what I wish for, I wouldn't mind just born right now. Like not prematurely, but I'm just dying for the time to roll off, and then baby boy or baby girl is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, and as well, kind of I would say, in terms of what do we want, is really and truly a healthy baby. Gender, I always said us say I want the boy baby first, and the kind of thing there, and the girl after. But as the days unfold, my main objective, my main desire is to say, God, please, I really want a healthy baby girl or baby boy, even though we're still just a little 2% team boy. You understand? But yeah, I will be happy whichever way. I am happy.
I think for me, I remind me some more about that way just say. Another thing that is very rough in this trimester is that I am always hungry. Me just don't eat and me hungry. Like me not eat for a morning. I'm always hungry. And me not think enough. So and then worse me I take the vitamins Pantavite. It just me just always hungry.
I'm down the place.
No, but before I didn't used to eat that much and they said, no, you need to eat more and you not treat
No,
yourself
then tell you
good.
never eat,
But no,
now.
me
I'm
I'm eating for two. I'm eating for two. Okay? I'm eating for two.
She come in every day a while ago. She come to see this and she hungry and she not eat something she got. And when she done this, she go.
No, but this I got just like kind of calm the hunger till me finish the video and we can go eat something.
Cause it's a murder place, I swear.
I'm not that bad. Don't
Yes,
even.
babe, you're a murder place.
Don't even. I'm not that bad.
People, for those of you who actually see her, you'll see the difference.
What is the difference?
Babe,
What is the difference?
don't worry, in due time, people. You'll see those photos. We're doing a photo shoot soon and all these lovely things, so you'll see what I'm talking about.
Anyways, regender. I think for me, I'm a little bit teen boy as well.
So you really come on YouTube and say this, you never said that to me?
I did.
No?
Yes, remember with the day where I come from doctor and you asked me? When you hear when me say I was y'all remember. So for me, I think there's risks with both genders because if you have a girl, you have to go worry about somebody a kidnap her, even though they be kidnapping boys now too. But like you have to worry about somebody a kidnap her and put her in a trafficking and them a rape her, even though they be doing it to the boys too. But then look at something that we have to worry about for a girl particularly. And then if it's a boy, I have to worry about the people living in the neighborhood who are gonna try to groom him and turn him in a bad man and make him, there's just risks on both sides. So for me, I've always said I'm better with boys. Like I don't know, me rap better with boys. I don't know what to do with girls. Like girls are hard.
Say the girl.
I've never been able to like successfully. Well, there are girls that
Yeah, come back and watch the video.
there are girls in like my youth group and stuff, and they like I'm a cool person, which I am. But for me, it's like y'all are hard to deal with. Like, not odd, like not difficult. Even though I was a little girl once, like we can understand. Excuse me. I can understand their situations and whatever, but then just add to talk to sometime. I don't know, but I find boys easier to deal with. But
I'm not so concerned about that part because whichever one it is, I'm telling you from now, you won't be hard to deal with. You understand? You won't be hard to deal with.
If they're anything like you
won't be hard to deal with. Don't worry.
If they're anything like
and that is why
they will be
baby
hard
girl,
to deal with.
baby boy, you will not be hard to deal with.
Whatever you are, whenever you're watching this, our child, baby Greenland, you are loved.
Yeah, you won't.
And even though in your teenage years you got things that we don't love you and we are try cramp your shine and all of them something.
Yeah, we're going to cramp your shine.
When you grow up, you will understand.
Yes.
Yes. But you say I'm gonna try to cramp this.
We're cramp your stars. You know, can a boyfriend and a girlfriend come show daddy too early. You're not gonna do that, no. Yes.
At what age did you have your first girlfriend?
No, that's the thing about it, you know. You have to understand that as you evolve in life, certain things that you will get, perhaps I didn't have it.
Right.
And as such, your experience will be different.
Yes.
So you're not going to quote my reality.
Yes, but you didn't answer the question though.
Baby boy, baby girl, that's none of your business. It's none of your business. But just remember what I just said, okay?
Yeah, so second trimester has been a little bit better than the first, but it has come with its own situations and whatever. But all in all, it's been the better trimester so far. We still have number 3 to go into, so What are you expecting for number 3?
For number 3, I think I don't know if I'm expecting anything different. I'm expecting it to be probably the anxious part of it, whereby I'm wondering like, baby, you're gonna labor now, kind of thing, eh? And more certainty, because by then you'll know what kind of baby coming. The kind of thing that I think more eagerness with just want to say, yeah, baby reach, and then this is it. Like, I am just not even know what to expect, but I'm just excited.
And you want to touch, you want to feel them move finally.
Yeah, more feel a big move, like.
Alright, no bother too big now. No bother too big now.
Sunday, something. Yeah, then kind of thing.
No bother too big now.
I think baby still. People, I'm just touching our group.
Anyhow, that's pretty much all we have to say about the second trimester. It's been real. A 3 finger that I just put up in a please note. No.
We won't have to go back. I don't think I want to go back through this. You want to go back through this?
I don't care.
Do you want to go back through this?
No, I don't want to go back through this. But
twin.
Baby Greenland, we love you. And I just say it there. I don't think I'll get no brother or sister.
No, he already has.
Nah.
So Baby Greenland still love you, okay? Babe, you just watch. Wait till I go do your ultrasound.
You're going to be so disappointed.
You're going to be so surprised. So go and talk.
Okay, guys. This back is hurting me now. I'm sitting up too long now. So...
we'll see you guys next.
Guys, hold on. Hold on. I want to know, do you think I should do... Stop your shirt or shirt.
If I should do it.
If I should do the belly test on you.
What that go? What that go?
Either I get like a big heavy watermelon, I like strap it to you and you have to walk around and try to do everyday things with it. So what I want to do when you're off.
So why watermelon not too heavy?
No, it's going to be the same weight as this. Or we get the contraction simulator.
You're not going to get that from me. I don't do pain. I don't do pain.
Is it Uno? Is it Uno? Huh? Ah! Hello.
Move on,
But one time you talk and me say move, I never hear. When you talk about him and move, me turn around and me say, this when me go so? At that time me say it and you never notice and me I try to get your attention, you never see.
You see this baby, yeah? So in there come out and shake you.
No, you're not gonna shake my baby.
I'm gonna shake you.
No, this is my baby.
Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching.
Oh God. Oh!
Then can't see it's easy bit.
Okay.
So why this puff out, sir?
I'm a skirt.
Oh. This is all just for YouTube, people. Only just for the top and not the bottom. Oh.
So this is where we are at now, guys.
You see me in the same thing with me? That's it. People know we all know every YouTuber just like this. So just the top part and the bottom part, because show the part that's shown in the video. Yes, so big up on yourself. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Wow. My God. Yo, we're like, you're like, but you know, big up on yourself though, and we're planning gender reveal, which will be coming after this one, I think. Is it so?
Maybe one more for the in between.
Yeah, then the gender reveal. Yeah, won't be nothing crowdy, but something
COVID still a key.
very.
And I still don't like people. I like people, guys. I love you. I really do. It's just that right now, me just feel better with me and my bed and this one.
No choice.
confused.
Fever. She align her skin like a mat. Like I said, then call it ticks them. Can't get rid of it. Anyways, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching. See you
You've
next.
always been like that though.
As I'm saying, can't get rid of me. Someone know you want to do. So,
Ticks.
so you can just learn to love it. Big up on yourself. See you guys next time. Remember to be safe. Remember to like the video. Drop a like. Tell somebody about I am ready for love. And leave your comments down below.
Bye.
Up and running.